All right. Today's SPY was up 0.29%. We did break out to that brand new all-time high. We're above the previous all-time high breakout. So this is what's called blue skies territory, meaning that there's no real resistance above this level. Even though we have price targets, we need proof that they're going to be resistance by seeing that we're actually getting price rejections when we get there. And the next target on SPY is up here at 616. So we have the bull trend, price is above every moving average. So that means you really just need to sit back and let your swing positions make you money. If you are getting emotional and you don't think the market should be going higher, that is a battle you have to figure out with yourself. There's nothing emotional about trading. Either price is trending higher or it's not. And right now it is a bull trend until it's not. So we're taking bull trades while we have the bull trend. And that is how you be a price action trader that's objective without emotion. Follow a discipline and mechanical strategy around the price action. And when the price action is in this blue skies territory, there is no reason to assume it can't go higher. It does not matter what you think. It does not matter what your opinions are. It does not matter anything about valuations. A chart with price trending higher is a bull trend, and it is a bull trend until it's not. So really the chart is as simple as staying bullish above 608. We are above 608, and above 608 we're looking for 616 and then 624. There's no way to know how high we'll go. There's no way to know what day we'll top. There's no way to know how long it's going to take to top. So you really just need to sit back, have a trade plan and a strategy on how to profit from this chart, or just sit in cash and do absolutely nothing. You decide what's right for you, but eventually you have to get over the emotional side of trading and not worry about every single person panicking saying that the sky is falling. And more often than not, history suggests the sky is actually not falling, and these people are just very emotional and they shouldn't be trading. On the NASDAQ 100 triple Qs, we were up 0.23% today, also breaking out to that brand new all-time high above 538. And this is where we've been looking for price action to go for a while now. We're actually taking longer than I expected to get there, which was this target up here at 546. And again, blue skies territory at an all-time breakout suggests that is where we are going to continue to trend towards. And then once we get there, we'll have to see if we get profit taking and find resistance. And if we don't, then we're likely just going to continue to trend even higher. So while we're above 538, stay bull for that price target up there at 546. If we can't hold 538, then you can get a little more risk off for a pullback down into the 532 to 530 zone. Bull trend until it's not. Price actions above all the moving averages. They're all positively sloping, and the trend is only getting stronger the longer that's the case, especially while price is above 538. On TSC Trade Alerts, we made a brand new all-time high today, and we're currently up 13.47% in the past 3 months. And this is where you get the exact trade alerts for the percent allocations I'm taking for the TQQQ and the SQQQ, as well as trade alerts for bonus trades as well. So if you want to join TSC Trade Alerts, you can find out how to do that by clicking on the link in the description of this video.